Okay guys, welcome to another video segment. So here I will be showing you a new platform where you need to register and activate a free miner. So this miner can be boosted through the help of the bonus that will be issued to you immediately you sign up on this platform. So the bonus that will be given to you will be $10. So I have my own account, but I will just prepare this video to guide you on step by step on how to get registered. This is a Spanish platform, and there is a need that you make use of Google Translator to translate the language to English. So to get this translator for yourself, you simply need to click on this three-dotted line up here. So just see the line here. This is the dotted line. Click on it, then a drawdown will happen like this. So you come to this and locate this translator here. So just copy this, click on this. Now it will pop up and come down here. So you see it right here. So you can easily select this particular one. This is the default language, but this is the one you can easily select now. So let's continue with the video. So now when you click right here, so you put your username. So let me just prepare a fresh account so that I will guide you through. So you just put a username here. So now you put the phone number. So let me quickly copy my phone number. So I've added all the details that I'm expected to put. So I'll simply hit on this to accept. So just hit on this to accept. So you tap on it. So it has actually loaded, and I'll click on this particular one. So I'll click on this particular one. So I click here to log in. So now I've been logged in now successfully. Now you need to verify your account. So I'll simply click on this particular pop-up, check your account. So just click here. So just click here. If you not activate it, if you not verify your account, it will be deleted in 2 days. So just click on it. Now automatically you'll be directed here. You scroll down and paste go to Binance or Trust Wallet and copy your TRC20 wallet address. So or Trust Wallet, any crypto exchange platform you're using. So I've just copied my own now. So I'll simply paste it here. So I've pasted it. Now I'll hit on this verify account. So you need to verify this account and make sure you have one account, guys. So this is actually the registered IP. So if I change this IP now, it's going to affect this my account. So I might be banned from accessing this account. So it's recommended that you use one IP for one account to avoid being banned. So now let me hit on this verify now. So when I hit on verify account, so I have to put this, sorry, I will still copy this this code to this place. So I'll just put this code 781274. So now hit on verify. So successfully, account validated successfully. Now as you can see, my account has been validated, and it will start showing account verified. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to come to this place and buy a robot with the bonus that was given to me. So I'll simply hit on this central button option. So I'll hit here. So as you can see, you can view this more. You can see more details about this free bonus. So as you can see, I've been given $10 here. So to activate this, I can simply hit here to see the full details about this particular robot. So daily, what I'll be getting when I activate this account now is $1. So within 2 days, I'll be getting $2 now. So and you can reactivate again. So you can actually build a team or actually refer others so that it will boost your earnings, and the minimum withdrawal you can make here is $3, guys. And to activate this, you need to hit on this organize. So hit on this organize. So now, as you can see, successful purchase. So it has been purchased successfully. So I can go to this this option here. So I'll come to this place, I'll hit here, and I will see the already activated account. So this is it, is active. It's actually running here. So and when I get to $3, I'll get to withdraw my money through the bank, the crypto wallets that I've actually added. So to check your wallet, you simply come to this place. So if you hit here, and to withdraw, you need to hit on request code. A code will be sent to the email address you used. Then you put the code here. So when you hit start withdrawal, it will take you to the page where you need to put the amount you want to withdraw, and that is actually how you can withdraw. So for those that might need to purchase extra miner, you simply need to recharge by clicking on recharge first. So when you click on recharge, you copy this wallet address, transfer the amount you want to deposit, so and put the amount here, then screenshot the successful transaction you've made, then you submit for review here. Now when you've actually done that, you want to purchase higher miner, you can come again to this place. You come to this central icon, then you hit here. Now you scroll down, you see other miners here. So there is a miner of $20 here, so and the one of 40, and same goes down here, one of 60. So you can simply deposit more if you want to earn higher. So on daily basis, what you'll be earning per day is $1.8 here. So and you'll be earning for 15 good days. So when you finish earning for 15 good days, your capital will be returned to you. So and you can purchase this 3 times. You can purchase this 3 good times. So that is actually how it works. So you hit on this, you have deposited money into your account for more earnings, and then activate. So you can build team to earn more. So those that you refer while they mine, you also get some commissions from their activation. So actually that is how it works, guys. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Also, to add the app, or to add this on your screen or your home screen, you simply need to click on this. Click here when you are on your home. So when you click here, it will be added successfully. So these are the options. You can view withdrawal record or deposit record here, and also you can scroll through here to see so you can request for help through the customer service link here. So and the withdrawal history and deposit history are all here. So these are the things you can maximize on this platform. So guys, thank you guys.